Hello, my name is Karis.
And I am Aaron, her brother.
Yes, indeed. And today, welcome to my kitchen science show. We are going to be showing you a little experiment you can do at home in your kitchen with different materials, including a candle, a glass jar that will fit over top of your candle.
Not just any glass jar, specially selected.
Yes, indeed. And then you'll need a dish or a plate that is deep enough for you to put a little bit of water in it. We have a measuring cup or a beaker for our water and our water itself. And we also have food coloring to color our water so we can see more easily what's happening with it, and a spoon to stir our food coloring, and also, very important, matches so that we can light our candle. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to place our candle in the center of our plate, like so. And then we're going to pour, we're pouring 250 milliliters of water, or a little bit more, however much will fit on your plate. And I measured that earlier today so that we know it's not going to overflow. And then we're going to add a little bit of food coloring. What color would you like to add?
I want to add red.
Red, okay. We chose to use a white plate so that the water would show up more easily, but you can use whatever plate you have. We added 2 drops of food coloring. Would you like to stir?
I'd love to. This is so exciting.
So,
I have to point out, I have no clue what's happening here.
I was just going to ask that question. You had any idea what we were doing? Now,
It's stirred.
we have our water, we have our candle, we have our plate. We're going to gently pour our water onto the plate. Hopefully you can see that. So there, we have our colored water on our plate with our candle. So now, you're going to want to have an adult help you with this part, because matches are very dangerous and you can burn yourself. But we are going to light our candle. Actually, first we're going to take the lid off our jar. And what we're going to do, once I light the candle, can you place this jar over top of it very, very quickly?
Very, very quick.
Very, very quickly.
I can do that.
Are you sure?
I'll be quick. Very quick. Very quickly.
Okay, are you ready? Oh, so you can also use a lighter if that's what you have on hand. We have matches. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait for our candle to burn up all the oxygen. And it's just gone out, and I don't know if you can see that. We'll bring the camera in closer, but our water has risen up inside our jar. Now, why do you think that's happened?
I don't know, Karis, but if I had to guess, I would think that perhaps the oxygen in the air, which fire needs oxygen, the fire took away the oxygen, and now there's less air in there. So something has to fill up all that space, and the water's the only thing that's available.
That is exactly what's happened. So our candle, because it was lit, the fire kind of like eats at our oxygen, right? We know that that is how fire grows, is because it eats our oxygen in the air. So when the fire burned up all the oxygen in our jar, all of that space had to be filled with whatever else we had. And that was the water. So we'll bring the camera in a little bit closer so you can see. So as you can see, here's our candle, here's our jar, and we have our water that's risen up inside the jar, above the water level of the plate. And that is because all of the oxygen in our jar, in the air in our jar, was eaten up by the fire, and the water had to take its place. So, thank you for joining us for my kitchen science show.
Our kitchen science show.
Our kitchen science show. We hope you enjoyed this, and if you get a chance to try it at home, again, make sure you have an adult to help you with the lighting of the candle. But I think we're finished.
Like and comment and let us know how it went for you.
Yeah, we'd love to hear. Bye!